Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Hello students. So dear students of class 11th biology, today once again I am here with the lecture number 10. Today we are discussing about the lecture number 10 of biology. In the lecture number 9 I have started the chapter number 2, that is called the biological classification. We have started. Now today same chapter biological classification we will continue, and the topic we will study, that is the kingdom Monera. This kingdom Monera we have to study in detail form. Now listen everyone, in the last video as I told you, we have started the classification, methods of the classification, and why the classification is started to make our study easy. To make the grouping of the organism we have need of the classification. But for the classification we have need a special kind of the special points, that is called the just for example shape, structure, mode of nutrition, and mode of reproduction, body structure, cell structure, unicellular, multicellular. So what they are the points on which we have to categorize the organisms. In the last video we have started the 5 kingdom classification. 5 kingdom classification. The first one is the kingdom Monera. Second one is the kingdom Protista. Third one is fungi. Fourth one is plantae. And fifth one is Animalia. These are the 5 kingdoms which we have to study. This is called the 5 kingdom classification, that is given by the R.H. Whittaker. In the last video we have discussed. Now out of that, today we will discuss about the kingdom Monera. What is the kingdom Monera? These simple points what I have written here, but before that I would like to tell you that in kingdom Monera mostly, yeah, you can say bacteria are placed. In kingdom Monera, all kinds of the bacteria are placed in this group, that is called the kingdom Monera. So in the last video as I told you, in kingdom Monera we have to keep prokaryotic and unicellular. Prokaryotic means those cells which have very less developed nucleus are called the prokaryotic cells. So all those organisms which are called the prokaryotes we have to keep in this kingdom Monera. So my dear students, these are the few points. For example, the first point, unicellular, means in kingdom Monera we will keep unicellular prokaryotic organism living in moist condition. Second, they lack a definite nucleus, means the organisms which belongs to kingdom Monera, they lack the true nucleus or the well developed nucleus or a definite nucleus, means nucleus is absent. Next one is the cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. It is a chemical of the N-glucosamine. It's a complex structure. So just for example, you have studied in the class 9th that a plant cell, the outer wall of the plant cell is called the cell wall, which is made up of cellulose. So just like that, the outer membrane of the bacteria is made up of peptidoglycan. And in prokaryotic cells are the organism which belongs to the kingdom Monera. They lack double membrane structures, lack membrane bounded cell organelles. Membrane bounded cell organelles. For example, mitochondria absent, chloroplast absent, and Golgi bodies are absent. Okay, so what are these? These are the membrane bound cell organelles. So membrane bound cell organelles are absent in the organism which belongs to the kingdom Monera. Second one is the mode of nutrition may be autotrophic or heterotrophic. Most of the bacteria are heterotrophic, but out of them a few one examples we are having, they are called the autotrophic bacteria, means they can follow the process of photosynthesis and they can prepare their own food. Now the next one is the reproduction is asexual by binary fission or by budding, because these organisms are very simple kind of the organisms, so that is why they are called, that is why it is considered that the reproduction which takes place in the bacteria is binary fission or budding. Binary fission or budding. So my dear students, the organism which belongs to the kingdom Monera are bacteria. Examples of kingdom Monera are bacteria. Bacteria are of two types. The first one is Archaebacteria and Eubacteria. Archaebacteria or Eubacteria. Mostly bacteria which belongs, not mostly, all the bacteria which belongs to the kingdom Monera, they are the prokaryotes, and the bacteria are categorized into the two groups, that is the Archaebacteria and Eubacteria. Archaebacteria, for example, halophils, thermoacidophils, and Eubacteria examples BGA, blue green algae, and blue green algae is also considered as cyanobacteria. Third one is methanogens. Okay, these archaebacteria are less developed bacteria, or you can say they are the primitive type of bacteria. So that is why they are called archaebacteria. And archaebacteria divided into the halophils, thermoacidophils, methanogens. These bacteria are very capable to live in the adverse conditions. For example, halophils means in salty conditions. Thermoacidophil means high temperature and acidic medium. Means these bacteria can survive at very high temperature, and they can survive in the acidic condition also. So the archaebacteria divided halophiles, thermoacidophils and methanogens. Eubacteria are called the blue-green algae, or cyanobacteria are blue-green algae, because they can follow the process of the photosynthesis. That is why they are called the cyanobacteria or blue-green algae. So my dear student, today I will discuss with you a typical structure of eubacteria, which is followed by the all kind of the eubacteria. Structure of eubacteria. This is a structure of a typical bacteria which is followed by the all kind of the eubacteria. Okay, this is called cell wall, which is made up of peptidoglycan. Peptidoglycan. This is called flagellum. This is called flagellum. Flagellum is helpful in the process of locomotion, means movement. The special structures are also present. These are called pili. These pili are helpful in the process of movement as well as reproduction. What are these? These are called pili. Now, the nucleus is not present, means well developed nucleus is not present in the eubacteria. Well developed nucleus is not present in the bacteria. So they have a very less developed nucleus, that is called the nucleoid. That is called nucleoid, means not exact nucleus. It is just like the nucleus, but it is not the well developed or true nucleus. That is called the nucleoid. After that, one special DNA is present in this. This is called plasmid. This is called plasmid. This is called plasmid or extra chromosomal DNA, because the prokaryotic cells contains a special DNA that is called the prokaryotic plasmid. These are called mesosomes. These are called mesosomes. Mesosomes are just like the mitochondria. They are helpful in the formation of energy. It is called the powerhouse, but in the prokaryotic cells, the mitochondria are not present. The mitochondria are not present. Then after that, the liquid which is filled inside this is considered as the cytoplasm. This is considered as cytoplasm. Then after that, ribosomes are present. Ribosomes are present, but these ribosomes are of 70S types. These ribosomes are of 70S types, as you have studied in the class 9th. Prokaryotic cells have the 70S types of ribosomes, and eukaryotic cells have the 80S types of ribosomes. So this is a typical structure. This is called the flagellum, which is helpful in the formation of the movement. So this is a typical structure of a eubacteria, which is followed by the all kind of the bacteria which are well developed are called eubacteria. I hope this topic is clear to you. Kingdom Monera, what kind of the organisms are placed? Kingdom Monera topic is remain. In the next video we will discuss in the Kingdom Monera in detail form about the detailed structure. Already I have given you types of bacteria, and the notes you can prepare with the help of this diagram and the PDF file which is given to you in your WhatsApp group. Otherwise, this is a typical structure of eubacteria. So till that, have the more practice, keep working. All the best.
Do self-study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.